right now in the CS2 market, we are entering a phase that no one is ready for. There's only a few select people that are ready for it, and they know what's going to happen, and they've been positioned for a long time. But we need everyone else to really see what's going to happen. Because this market cap right now, well, let me just say this. If the CS2 market cap right now is at 5 billion, maybe more like 5.7 billion to be exact. But if you're able to get a market up to 5 billion, it's going to go higher. It's not like you top out at 5 billion and you go back down to zero. It's like, no. The market has already proved itself over the life of Counter-Strike. It has already proved itself. So you already know that right now is not the top. You may see people like, they'll be like, man, we've gone up so high in the past 2 years, we have to come down. No, we do not. That is a lie. You never have to come down. You can wish we come down. You can hope that we come down. I've been wanting it for the last 2 years. Things have been vertical. But don't listen to these guys. If they're so hyped about a 5 cent increase in a sticker price, stick to the big picture here, and that's what we're gonna get into. The big picture is the main thing here. Trust me. So we're gonna pull this up. Let's talk about the gallery case right now. The gallery case, the #1 discontinued case right now. This has happened a few times in the past. This is the first time it's happened in an actual armory in a while. And you see how it goes, right? It was known as a piece of shit case. When it came out, no one wanted it. No one wanted it. Like, we will even look at CS ROI, we'll look at gallery case. Right now the unboxing is pretty high because the ROI is just exploded on it after the price increase. It's got kukri knives in it, man. It's got kukri knives in it. And I'm going to tell you, this will still go to $10 a case within the next 5 years. I can almost put that, I can put that on, who's that CS2 guy? I'll put this on Oni Pixel's life, that this is probably going to $10 in the next 5 years. Even with it being a piece of shit case. Because that's how the markets work. It's discontinued. This already has a set. It's like in motion, right? It's already happened before. We've seen it time and time again. We know that gallery case, just like Riptide, just like Shattered Web, we know that this is going to go higher. The supply is tiny. When people could have got gallery case, instead they were like, okay, I'm just going to, if I have stars in the armory, why would I get the gallery case when I could easily just get the Fever case? Fever has very nice skeleton knives. Skeleton knives are cool, right? They're cool. They're pretty good. It's got a print stream in it. So it's just like, why would you get the other case? Why would you get the gallery, right? It was a sleeper. It was a sleeper. People did not know that this was going to happen, or people would have bid it up higher sooner. But now we know that the supply, there's not going to be any more supply on gallery case. So that creates the instant supply squeeze. It makes the market go higher. Valve has this stuff figured out, guys. Like, there's all these things. It's like Valve is going to mess up the market. Valve is going to destroy the market. Well, they haven't. Okay, they haven't. Even through a new game, even through these like weird events that we see, if we go to Price Empire, well, let's look at all the times that the market has gone down. You'll see like the crash events, and they're barely events. They're barely events. Where do we see the index? The big chart. You guys know what I'm talking about, all right? Does this show the full thing overall? Okay, we'll go to Riptide. We'll just go to Riptide. We'll go to these different ones. Another discontinued case. This one is going for $20. That's crazy. So in the past year, it's gone from $6 to 15. It's a 200% bottom to top, man. It's ridiculous. And this is 2021, guys. 2021 bottomed out here at 60 cents. Never look back. Never look back. And it's still going to keep going up. This is what's going to happen with Gallery Case. I don't have any Riptide. I was not even around back then. There's a lot of people who will be coming in the market now, and I mean this, there's a lot of people that will be coming in the market now that don't know shit. They won't know shit about the market. I was one of those people. I don't even like the game. I don't like the game, but I respect the way it makes money. I don't. If we look at my hours on Steam, I have spent more hours just looking at my storage units, just looking at all this shit than I have playing the game, dude. Like, I got like 4 armory passes. Dude, I earn like 3 stars a month. Like it's cooked. But there's a lot of people who are going to be doing the same shit, dude. There's a lot of people who they don't care about the game, but they respect the market. Markets are meant to be respected. You can't just look at a market going from zero, building its way up to $5+ billion and be like, this shit's overvalued. Because they said the same thing about crypto. They said the same thing about AI. They said the same thing about gold. Even people saying gold is overvalued. It still doubled in the past year. And that's gold. It's like, there's a reason these assets keep going up. And if you're not invested in these yet, if you have money in the stock market, if you have money in crypto, if you have money in NFTs, it's like, but you don't have money in the CS2 market, you shouldn't have to play the game to get involved in this market. Because these tokenomics, you would call them tokenomics. Here we call them, I guess we call them caseonomics. Okay, cases are the blue chips. These supply will always be going down. Even if there's the active drop, okay, we know they're not going to go down as much, or it might take time, but over time, there's more demand. There is more people with gambler mentalities, these gambling mindsets, not the investing mindset. It's like, what do you want to be? Do you want to be the gambler or do you want to be the casino? Like, make your choice, man. There's ways you can do both. Okay? For example, if you have some of these cases, like, I'll give you a good example. This is a really good one. Fracture case. It's just got rare. Just got rare. And a lot of people knew it was going to go rare. I started stacking up in April. Truly, I've almost 7,000 of these. I should have got more. That was the biggest position I ever made. Because I knew that after this being an active drop pool for 4 years, I know more that I think this came out in 2020, the fracture case. If we look at the all-time, 2020 is when this came out. I knew that it was the oldest one in the active drop pool. I knew that it was like, I didn't know this is the exact time that it was going to pull out, and go into the rare case pool. But I knew that in the next at least 2 years, it was going to happen. And when that happens, it's going to change. I know there's a big supply for fracture case, but also I do think that this is the second best glove case compared to the glove case, the OG glove case. This was the first sort of big hit I had. I had these at $3. I this was the most expensive case like I paid for. It's, I bought these in 2022 somewhere. I got these at like $3. I had like 20 of them. We get this pop because YouTubers, everyone, like all these videos coming out, people just want these expensive gloves, and I don't blame them because the gloves now are worth more than the knives. Like, in my opinion, I think by far the gloves now are superior to the knives. And I sold some. Don't get me wrong, I did sell some. I think I felt like I had to with it coming up like that. I felt like I had. This was more when I was selling. It was when it was making this. It was almost going vertical up to $30, and I started selling some of them like $25 ish. Not that many. I still have maybe 30, but I don't have as much money as I want in these markets, and I have to put in more. I'm not buying the glove case here. There are cases that are undervalued, and some of these cases are shitty. Like, some of these cases that you will make money on, they will be pieces of shit, and I promise you they will. And like, they will wonder, be like, why the hell are you buying a kilowatt case? You know this case is a piece of shit. Like, why would you ever buy the kilowatt case? Well, at some point, there's not going to be any cases that are under $1. And you have to know that that's going to happen. These kukri knives are fucking ugly. They are. Some people love them, though. Some people love them. They're still worth money. The inheritance is actually very nice. I love the inheritance. Maybe the chrome cannon, maybe it can be worth more in the future. I don't know. That'd be cool. But sometimes it don't matter because these prices are gonna go up no matter what. Once this goes into the rare drop pool, the case price is gonna double. All you have to do is be patient enough to let it happen. If you average in, and if you know the markets are only gonna go up over time, no matter what, why would you even sell? Like, why would you even sell? The thing that makes it hard for people now, but I also think it makes it better, is right now there is like there's so much like demand that Valve, they implemented this thing to stop, like, I think, massive price drops. I think when they did this thing, the trade reversion, I'm going to pull that up right here because it should say, it always says it up here at the top. That's weird, it's not. But you have to hold for 7 days. It makes you hold for 7 days. That's just how it works now, right? You have to hold for 7 days. You can't sell. You have to wait 7 days. That makes the market go up more, and it means that there's like a lagging demand. So now people are forced to hold. That squeezes prices up higher, and it's not going to change. Like, people thought this was bad for the market. No, it's actually good because it gets a lot of the fucking snakes out of the market. Like, unless if you really trying to scalp, like, dude, these people, some people are trying to scalp stickers, dude. Like, trying to scalp stickers, trying to make like 10 cents, bro. It's like a day. It's like, yo, that shit needs to be cut out of the market. Like, let's make this market a badass market where you actually put money in and trade with volume. Not trading these little like 1 cent stickers trying to make 1 cent back and shit. Save that for the other people, bro. Save that for the clowns. But these cases, even guns, it's like there has to be the right amount of volume, the right amount of supply, the right amount of demand. All these things have to align a little bit, but you have about 70% odds that your shit's gonna go up. Even I don't even sell stickers, man. I'll give you an example of one thing I do. Okay, and you guys might really like this, and we'll just leave it on this. Okay, this is like my first CS2 market video in a long time. I've grown so much. I do watch other people make these videos on the CS2 markets. A lot of them they want to talk about stupid shit, guys. They want to talk about these like the little sticker movements, man. Like I'm telling you, like they want to talk about the Chinese manipulation. It's why do you give that shit attention? Don't give the Chinese manipulation shit attention, dude. If you know it's a group manipulating something like that, it's like why give it attention? That's not like real market movement. It's fake market movement. Let's look at the stickers. I want to talk about Austin. I think you missed. You missed your chance on Austin, guys. These. Which one had the? Is it this one? No, no, no. This is contenders. It's the other. It's challengers. Let's talk about these. These challengers. These were the ROI last week. The unboxing ROI a week ago, right before these got taken out of the sale. These were 75% off. They're going for 25 cents each. Anyone could buy them. It's a free market. You know, you had your chance, dude. The unboxing ROI a week or two ago, before these got removed, it was about like 150, 140% ROI. I took advantage of it. I opened about $150 worth of stickers. I don't know. I probably opened 400 of these challengers. And I probably opened 300 of the contenders. And out of that, I got 4 of these stickers. I got 4 of these stickers almost going for $40 each right now. So you do the math, 40, 80, 120, 160, right? If that's like a $40 average. I made my money back just off them stickers. And more once you consider the other things you're getting, and then it gets removed, and then all the stickers go up in price once it gets removed. This was an easy play. I don't know why people were not doing this. Personally, I should have put in more money. I should have. Because now it's like you have the stickers that are up in value, so you have your main hits. Your main hits are going to be like the hollows. Let's go to the contenders again. Like I have all these pretty much go for, like I don't know how many I have of these ones, guys, but I mean I have at least a few of these. At least if I open 300, I got some good shit. I even have a couple of these golds, I think. But you already made your money back, and then at that point you're sitting on house money. So if you sit on the house money, if you don't sell your stickers, like don't sell them, dude. Wait 5 years. Wait 5 years and see where they're at. Seriously, if you want to sell a few stickers, get some of your money back, get some of your like recoup back, I think that's smart. I think, but like let your profits run, dude. This one looks cool. This one actually looks really cool. I might, huh? That might be a sleeper. The wild card hollow. That's interesting. That caught my eye. That's not a signal to buy it. It's some stickers you just like, okay? Some stickers you just like, but you do have to pay attention to the markets. But now, I mean, even if you just bought the sticker cases, if you just bought the sticker cases at 25 cents, you could have made even more. You'd be selling these out for a profit right now. They gave you the playbook. You knew the unboxing ROI was so high, and yet people still slept on this sticker pack. It made no sense. This was a gimme. Most stickers you should avoid. Most of them. This was a gimme. This was easy. It's just another example of how easy the CS2 market can be. You know, You just gotta follow the trend, man. The trend's going up. Follow the trend, guys. Let me know right now what cases are your biggest investments, what stickers are your biggest investments, and let me know what you think of my first market update video thing in like 2 years. 2 years? I don't know, guys. Let me know. We just sort of yapping here. But let me know if I should even make another video or not. I might even show all of the investments I have for a video. I would be down to do that if you guys wanted it. Yeah, love you guys. Let's do this some more. Peace. Bye.